Hello! If you are watching this video, then you want to know how to find truck drivers to dispatch. And I'm going to help you. So my name is Serge and this is Truck Dispatcher Training. If you came across our video for the first time, I'm going to suggest you also view our old videos. You will definitely like it. And I would be very pleased if you subscribe and click on the bell. Let's start. I want to make it clear right now. So now we have two types of drivers. The search for each type will be different. So our types of drivers are owner-operators and truck drivers. Owner-operators are usually too busy, they have to care about their business independently. Of course, they are more worried than truck drivers. They have their own truck driving company. This fact involves owning or renting one or more trucks and finding loads to transport. That's why once they come to the conclusion they need a dispatcher. The question then becomes, why should an owner-operator work exactly for you? What is it about you that he or she can rely on you? Can the owner-operator trust you with his or her own business? Are you competitive? You should be. The competition here can be quite fierce. Why? Because the majority of trucking business that have more than 40 trucks are a tasty morsel, and everyone wants to work with them. After all, the more trucks, the more shipments, and they always have so much freight. Can you understand what I'm getting at? It means more money. You must show that you can guarantee the best shippers and the best working conditions during transportation. But they are new nuances that should be taken into account. You can have 20-30 trucks and owner-operators, but that will be the maximum. Both you and drivers must have time and energy to do the work well. You won't be able to recruit more owner-operators and you won't be able to scale. But I have some advice that can help you to succeed and perhaps even stay afloat. You should know your strengths and weaknesses. And take the time to learn competitor strengths and weaknesses. What can they offer? Can you offer more? You should. I have to add that the trucking business that are based on the assets have more advantages. How can you stay competitive in such a case? One word: factoring. What is the factoring? That's a special type of financing that can buy invoices and help the company with deferred payments. They lend you money and keep some cash flow. We have to do it when the money needs to be paid out faster than we can do it. But I think you understand that such carriers who are asset-based care only about their own profit, not yours. So don't compete with them. You should make sure you exceed them. You should differentiate yourself in a smarter, better way. I believe that you can. I want to advise you to put emphasis on safety. It doesn't matter how many trucks a driver has. There are still his or her own trucks that were bought for their own money. You should guarantee the safety of the truck, and of the driver, of course. This also includes repair, maintenance, insurance, and so on. Some carriers can offer bobtail insurance. Have you ever heard about it? This term means the insurance of auto liability when your truck isn't on the way after a load has been delivered. You should think carefully about this moment in advance. Maintenance is what owner-operators are always worried about. Show them they can feel safe. Most asset-based carriers have a maintenance shop. What can you do to be competitive in this case? Become partners with a maintenance shop. You can ask, why will the maintenance shop want to work with me? Because of money. Say that you are going to bring all your own operators and they will get regular maintenance. A maintenance shop has to give you a better rate. All these small things will stack up to make your offer better. One more thing. Lanes. How consistent are you in your lanes? What kind of lanes do you offer? Let's imagine the situation that you hire an owner-operator and you pick up really hot load. Yes, it will get you a lot of money, but your owner-operator will be on the road for 6 or more weeks. Do you understand what is on the scales? The driver just may get angry and he or she won't work with you anymore. You should take care not only about money, but also to remain human. Let's summarize what I said earlier. When you look for a driver, you should pay attention to the lanes, the type of freight you're going to haul, the type of a driver, and what types of trucks he or she has, the number of trucks, and of course, what you can offer the driver. Remember to be competitive. Don't get robbed by asset-based carriers, and like I said, stay human. Don't try to force the driver to do the impossible. This way can result only in burnouts or find another dispatcher. Anyway, you will lose. By the way, Facebook advertising is a very good thing. If you set it up correctly, you will get a lot of drivers. But what's next? Then they will want to know more about you. And here you should, as I already said, present yourself correctly and make it clear that you are better than other offers. Think out everything in advance. Show yourself like a professional. The insurance, supplying the trailer or the equipment, the maintenance program, and so on. Everything. You know, things that work for one driver may not work for another one. What can you do in this case? First of all, determine for yourself with which driver and under what conditions you want to work. What is right to you? It turns out that you will narrow down the number of candidates, but also you will make your search easier. Moreover, work in the future is going to be easier too. I mean, if you don't find an approach to an owner-operator, then the work is going to go badly. I want you to be ready for the fact that this path is difficult and isn't fast. But if you want to develop and you really want to learn this business, then you will definitely succeed. Set a goal and strive towards it. Establish yourself as a business. Yes, there are many risks, but it's okay. When you look for a driver, a key role can play how you look in the market. So here are some more tips. Don't live off the load board all the time. Make a structure. If your structure doesn't work, make a better structure. Promote your business. It's going to help you sell yourself and your own operators well and have the best cargo. Be competitive. Don't chase big money right away. You should do organized and quality work, especially in the beginning. That's all for today. I hope this video was useful for you. We will shoot many more interesting videos about dispatching. In the meantime, we are making new videos for you. I suggest you watch the videos we have already shoot on the channel. Like our videos and subscribe to our channel. Have a good day.